I once got an email from a guy who got friend-zoned by his partner after he displayed too much approval and attention-seeking behavior. Mind you, the lady once took him as her romantic partner. But because he was always putting her on a pedestal, seeking her attention and validation, and generally acting like he was unworthy, the woman picked up on this and friend-zoned him. He eventually walked away. He's going to be running into her soon for a work-related situation. And even without being told, you tell that he still has the mindset to pay her some attention. By doing so, he's hoping he can get her to pay attention to him and give him another chance to ignite her interest, and perhaps take him back as a lover. But his whole mindset is completely wrong. The number one most important thing when you ask women what they're most attracted to in men is confidence. So, when a guy is constantly displaying a lack of confidence, and on top of that, seeking her attention and approval like he would from his mommy, that's not a guy that she can trust his masculinity or can follow his leadership because he's looking to be told what to do. He doesn't even know what he wants and how to get it. So, as a man, this is one of the mindsets you must shift away from if you want to become irresistible to women. So, what makes a man irresistible to women then? You might already be wondering. It is very simple, yet very difficult for the majority of men to achieve. Women are not attracted to nice guys who lack assertiveness and always seek their approval and validation. They prefer men who possess masculine traits and confidence. As a man who wants to be irresistible to women, always remember that a weak man seeks to prove himself to a woman he hopes to be romantically involved with. Why? He doubts himself and what he brings to the table. Deep down, he doesn't feel worthy, hence his focus on seeking her attention and approval, just like he did from mommy. Women are most attracted to confidence in men. Approval-seeking men display the opposite of confidence. Strong men are sure of themselves and their ability. They are selective about who they allow into their inner circle. Strong men give women what they have earned as equals and teammates due to their actions, not their words. Beta males believe what women say while they ignore when their words and actions do not. We will start with exploring what being confident as a man is all about and why women love confident men. Confidence. It's what you constantly hear everyone tell you that women find most attractive in men. But what does it mean? How does one even become confident, and why is it so freaking attractive to women? Seeing a guy who walks and talks with confidence is appealing to women. This is proven again and again by research studies, by relationship experts, and just by going out into town and being the confident guy at the bar or somewhere. Confidence has always been a magnet for women. An irresistible man exudes self-assuredness. What makes a man irresistible to women is not arrogance, but being certain and unapologetic about who he is and what he wants. Confidence is not about having no flaws, but accepting your flaws and embracing your qualities. You do not have to be loud, suave, or even outgoing to appear confident. It is all about recognizing the best in yourself and embracing it. As a man, embrace your unique self, stand tall, express your opinions, and let your self-assured demeanor shine through. In the same vein, as a man who wants to be irresistible to women, it is very important to note that attraction is based on a perception of value. So if you constantly seek approval from a woman, then you are just communicating to her that you perceive her, at least in that context, to be more valuable than you. A lot of women lack self-confidence. By placing her on a pedestal, you communicate that you are even less confident than her, which isn't attractive to women. Why should she be attracted to a man who doesn't value himself? Everyone needs validation and approval. But a grown man should seek that validation from friends, family, career accomplishments, and hobbies, not from women he is dating. True confidence is self-assurance. Confident men don't feel a need to try too hard. They aren't out to prove anything to themselves or anyone else. They are secure in who they are, exuding an attitude of "this is who I am." So, you either take me like this, or you can get lost. Confidence is all about giving no damn about what people think or say about you. We've all been guilty of walking into a room and thinking they're all looking at me. They all think that every word I say is stupid. As a man, when you get that sort of negative mindset out of your head, then you will surely become irresistible to women. The key to using your confidence is to trust in it. Everyone has that pessimistic voice in the back of their minds that makes them doubt their every move. If you are to tell that voice to shut up and focus on your confidence, then you will surely be able to have more success when it comes to being irresistible to women. Confidence is attractive to women because it demonstrates self-assurance, authenticity, and the ability to express oneself without fear or the need to impress. Most men struggle with a lack of self-confidence and fear of disapproval when interacting with women, hindering their success. On the other hand, when a confident man interacts with women, it creates a completely different feeling, where his self-confidence shines through and is attractive. Confident men express themselves without fear, even if it means disagreeing with a woman. Moreover, a confident man is not afraid to playfully tease a woman, knowing that if she can't take a joke, then she's not the right woman for him. Men who lack confidence appear fearful, weak, and insecure when interacting with women, causing women to lose interest. While confident men generate a sense of self-assurance that women find attractive. Now, having explored being confident as a man enough, let us now try to understand why having the mindset of trying to be Mr. Nice Guy to a woman always backfires. Simply put, let's talk about why women hate nice guys. Nice guys often blame their lack of success with women on their niceness, when it's their lack of masculinity that is the issue. Women are often more attracted to men who are assertive and willing to express their true feelings, rather than those who constantly aim to please and impress them. Women don't hate nice guys, but they dislike men who lack masculinity, and nice guys often lack other attractive masculine traits, which is why they struggle with dating. Nice guys aren't attractive to women because they desexualize themselves by sacrificing their true desires for the sake of harmony, which turns women off. They say that nice guys finish last because their behavior stems from an anxious attachment style, where they seek approval and do nice things with hopes of being rewarded by a woman. Although women claim they want to be with a nice guy, in reality, they avoid them like the plague. Why? Because nice guys are insecure, inauthentic, boring, and weak. Nothing is exciting about a nice guy, in short. Sure, there won't be any conflict when you date a nice guy. They'll agree with everything you say, and you'll be able to walk all over them. But, let's be honest, where's the excitement in that? Yes, women love to be treated nicely. But the truth is that they also want to be hurt by their man sometimes. So they can play Celine Dion at night while they cry themselves to sleep. It makes them feel that they are in a thrilling, exciting relationship. But with a nice guy, there won't be such thrills. Everything about him is just too boring and predictable for women's liking. If you want to be irresistible to women, then you must understand that women are attracted to confident men who are authentic and don't try to impress anyone. As it creates a challenge for the woman. When a man is unapologetically himself, without trying too hard to impress his woman, then it becomes a challenge for the woman, as she will start trying to impress him instead. Support the channel by subscribing and remember to check out the other related content on the channel.